In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a dot pattern in Figma. Start by opening your Figma file and selecting an empty area on the canvas. Next, select the pen tool from the toolbar or press P on your keyboard. Click once to create a starting point, then click again and drag to create a curved line. You can adjust the curve later if needed. Once your line is ready, select it and go to the stroke section in the right-hand panel. Click the Advanced Stroke Settings icon to open additional stroke options. Under Style, change the stroke from solid to dashed. Set the dash value to 0 and enter a value for gap such as 8. This converts the dashed line into a series of evenly spaced dots. Adjust the stroke weight to make the dots larger or smaller and modify the gap value to control the spacing between them. Now, select the dotted line and duplicate it using Ctrl+D on Windows or Command+D on Mac. Arrange the duplicated lines however you like to build a larger dot pattern for backgrounds, UI elements, or decorative effects. You can also change the color, spacing, and direction of the dotted lines to create different pattern styles. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom dot pattern in Figma. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.